Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm preparing for van life. Kind of. I'm gonna have a truck and a trailer, so it's same, but different. I mean, I feel I already have a head start because I already have the hair and the beard going, but there are a few things that I'm concerned about. All right, so the more I think about the van life situation, and bear with me, I'm gonna call it van life just to make it easier than truck and trailer life. I mean, van life to me sounds a whole lot cooler. Anyways, so the more I think about it, something that comes up is routine and having to acclimate to the new situation. Things such as morning coffee or food, protein intake, working out, beard care. No need to worry about the beard care. www.thebeardstruggle.com will fulfill all your beard care needs. Discount code DansBeard for 20% off. But seriously, well, I am serious about the beard struggle. But seriously though, and things such as like taking photos of my hummingbirds in the morning when I'm having coffee. I can't believe I just said that. But yes, there's going to be adversity that's going to be dealt with, but I do think doing something like this will help you evolve as a person. I think. So there's plenty to think about and a lot of problems to kind of, I think what I'm going to do is we're not going to hit the road for, well, we are hitting the road this weekend, like I was saying before, but we're not going to have the truck and the trailer for a few more weeks now. But I'm still going to be doing these daily vlogs just to prep up for the situation, because better practice doing them daily here where it's easy, so that way when we get on the road, it'll make it that much easier. Hopefully. So yeah, so I guess the point of this is, yes, the routine is going to be messed up with. But as with everything else in life, you acclimate to the situation and it's going to make you that much stronger, and it can potentially make you more efficient with everything. I hope. Question, does anyone else like a raw egg in their morning coffee? Asking for a friend. Do people still say that, asking for a friend? But seriously, do any of you actually put a whole egg in your coffee? I know I've asked that on a live, but I've never really said that on a regular YouTube video. Anyways, okay, going back to the workouts and gyms. Now that is one thing that I'm also going to be integrating into this van life situation. And in addition to that, if you or anyone else that you know happen to have a private gym that you want to welcome us into for maybe a day or three, let me know. Just go ahead, put that in the comment section below. But I think that's going to do it for today's little vlog, if you will. As always, I hope that you found this video helpful, maybe even intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribing, please consider subscribing. Until next time, peace. We out.